The jury heard in excruciating detail about Travis's gruesome murder. And if the jury didn't give her the death penalty then, after seeing those gruesome crime scene photos over and over again and hearing about her slitting his throat, what the heck does the prosecution have to do differently to get the death penalty now? Jordan Rose, you're an attorney in Phoenix. You're very close to all the principals involved. Oh, they've got to do something different because Prosecutor Martinez gave it his all, and he did not get the death penalty the first time around.
I think you're right, Jane. They obviously need to do something different. And I think the focus will be much clearer and crisper because it will be a shorter deliberation. And the focus will be on the heinous nature of the crime and the fact that it was entirely pre-planned. In addition to that, Jodi will not be on the stand for 18 straight days establishing a love affair with this jury. And I don't mean that they all fell in absolute love with Jodi, but certainly it has got to be more difficult to vote to put someone to death who you have sat within feet of for 18 days, learning intimate details of her life. As you said, this judge was not going to allow this jury to be hijacked again by Jodi Arias, and that is going to be the difference.
But how do you stop it? How do you stop it?
I totally disagree with that, Jane.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Anahita.
I totally disagree with that.
Anahita.
Right, Jane, I totally disagree with that because on the one hand, I understand why the prosecution didn't want to offer her some plea deal. They wanted to move forward with the death penalty. That's what the Alexander family wanted. But this trial is going to be longer than the previous trial because they're going to have to impanel a whole new jury. They're going to have to present all of this evidence all over again. And you can bet Jodi Arias is going to take the stand. And she's going to talk and talk and talk for as long as she wants because her life is on the line. And the judge is going to give her that leeway. And it's not, Jane, just because she's a narcissist and she wants to hear herself speak, but she needs to offer her mitigating evidence. She needs to talk about the fact that she was abused. Well,
she wasn't abused.
Make that decision, but
she was not abused.
Well, but the jurors will make that determination. She has to be given that ability
Travis
to talk about the
will not be allowed.